We are not like our parents' generation. We will not work the same job for 30 years only to get a gold watch and a handshake. We will not do something we dislike until we think we have enough money to retire. We are not planning a retirement of playing golf and watching TV in a recliner. We don't accept that our health will decline as we age. We believe we can have true love at any age. We believe we can still do almost anything we choose. It's not too late to run a marathon. It's not too late to climb Kilimanjaro. It's not too late to learn to play the piano or start a band. It's not too late to paint a masterpiece or write a bestseller. It's not too late to find our true love or rekindle our marriage. It's not too late to go back to school or learn a new skill. It's not too late to build a thriving business. It's not too late to start a nonprofit for our favorite cause. It's not too late to do something daring. It's not too late to do something that matters. It's called midlife because we are only halfway there. We have the knowledge, we have the experience, we have the resources, and we have the guts to go for it. This is our manifesto, our promise to ourselves and others. We will not let others dictate who we are. We will not let fear direct our course. We will not listen to the voice that says we can't. We will live our lives authentically. We will live our lives with courage. We will live our lives with passion, and we will live our lives with purpose. We are in the prime of our life. We are the people who are making a difference in the world. We will make our mark. We will leave a legacy. We are the mighty midlifers, and this is our time.